Hi friends, today I'm showing you the Flynova spinner. This is a really fun spinner that's come around these days, and you can see charging time and all those type of stuff. So let's open the box first. So it comes with a manual, a USB charging cable, and the Flynova spinner itself. So the spinner and the USB cable, so it requires a micro USB cable to charge it first. So here in the section you can put in your micro USB and you can charge this. This spinner is like very smooth and very lightweight. A little shiny plastic here. So the micro USB cable will go here, and then the USB port will go in your electric socket. So there is a up section and on and off button, so let me just on it. So there is an LED different colors light, and this is the manual. So the manual, you can see, it shows like everything, all the details. That's how to start, how to charge, and then how to use this spinner. So you have to keep the upside up and then you can rotate. It will take some time to get used to it, but the manual is pretty handy. So this is how, like, I'm just putting it the upside up here, and then you can see the different LED colors light effect on it. This spinner is really fast and powerful, and I can really feel that vibes on my hands. And you can see like all the different lights that you can use with the spinner, and you can also throw and catch it with the other hands. It's very nice.